test. Okay, welcome to the stream. So the plan of today is I am going to be updating my Fiverr and I'm going to show you all how I do it. Let me see. I'll also need to update the thumbnail. Give me a moment. Well, I always like in YouTube, you need to like manually update the thumbnail for the streams. If you all stream, you'll know what I mean. And I recommend everybody to like vibe code stream. Truly such a great way. It's just nice. Like to build in public truly is a great way to also showcase your own projects. So I recommend everybody to just vibe code and stream. Let me update real quick for before the Discord bot posts it in Discord without my permission. Is it this one? Come on. It's a thumbnail. Safe. AI truly is great with like the thumbnails. I love the thumbnails ChatGPT Image 2 can generate. It's just peak. Like in my opinion, and I'm gonna say this again, I know a lot of people and like the AI maxers are gonna hate it, but just stick with Claude and just stick with ChatGPT or Claude or Anthropic. Like OpenAI and Anthropic. Don't be like going to the shady ass third party models. If you want to get work done, just pay $20. Like with $20 you can make your full project. It doesn't matter what it is. Oh well, if it's very complex it won't work, but okay, let's get started. Let me see. Like I'll have the AI in this screen and then the other, and we'll update the Fiverr on the other screen. Yo, what's up, Jave35? Also, I'll give you mod probably in a few because, yeah, I know you already see that you're also mod in Tommy's chat. But let me update my stream for a moment, or I'll update. I have like the live chat on the right. Because I cannot integrate the live chat into Baked OS. Yo, Helen's Motivation, welcome to the stream. I'll put it in here. Maybe in like localhost it's possible to do, but okay, but we'll get started with updating the Fiverr. I'm so stuck. Yeah, the IDEs, what I would say when I was making my own one, I would say it burns a lot of tokens. The ADEs and the IEDs and the ADEs or whatever you want to call it do burn a lot of tokens. When I was working on it, it like burned through 200% of codecs. Wait, let me check the screenshots. Ah, nice. ADE. Ah, okay. Nah, it does look nice. But nah, just keep updating it, but it burns tokens. Yep, if I ever change. Now 100%. I'm now gonna do just update it A to Z. Let me set this up nicely. First thing, what's on the list? Okay, give me the step-by-step plan. We'll start with 1. But I'll just make this a bit bigger, man. Like, I don't care that the AI is not full screen. Let me see. I'll first lower all the prices because that's what also was on the thing. Because I think my prices are like a bit high. But then I know, like if you put them a bit lower, you get more clients. But, lower quality ones. Like very low, or well, not low quality, but you'll get what I mean. It's because I'm adding voice wake up, like see, build in local, whisper flow, build in local. Ah, nice. I didn't even know that they allowed that. Whatever they called, whisper flow. Okay, so Tommy does have it that low. Okay. Then we'll put it on 555. This we keep. This you'll need to put a bit higher. For the pricing, do not look at this. I'm doing this for the agency to get even more clients to then also push work to y'all for the agency. I do need to like use ChatGPT in my other tab. All local and free and full. Ah, nice. Now, if you open source it, I'll definitely also use it. Because my IDE is mainly for show. It does work, but just for the show and for the stream. Let me see. Like, just copy paste this into your AI. When you're doing this, let me see. Just copy paste from the AI. Yo, facts! Welcome to the stream. I'm now gonna do my Fiverr fully. Let me see. As you can see, vibe coding. I will definitely use this as a keyword. Like, look at this. 1000 just from this. Let me see. I don't know why that was in Spanish for a moment, but we'll ignore that. So I'm just curious because I also want to see this. Let me take a quick look, but I already saw it in your Fiverr portfolio. But it does look nice. I should update or like download the updated version. I think I have like the outdated one. Okay, normally you have like an other agent short editor. He has like the full specs and all of my face images. Can you generate me a uniform for thumbnail type for all of my gigs and fully optimize them? And you normally can take a look. You have my Fiverr profile. Take a full look at it. Thank you. I'll probably delete some gigs also. Well, this I'll keep. This I might delete. As you can see, my main gigs are the ones that mostly highly perform. But you need to have some... Even these smaller gigs do get me clicks and some orders. You need to be in every niche. Because even the gigs with no reviews will show your level on Fiverr. For example, if you're level 1 or level 2, it will show it on the gig. Even if the gig doesn't have reviews or like orders. But I'm gonna take it slow today. I'm just gonna wait and let the AI... Oh, what the fuck? I don't know what he's doing in Canva, but I don't have great hopes. Don't use Canva, use ChatGPT Image 2, thank you. I'll put it on live. Well, first do the thumbnails to just get like the unified look. Then we'll, yeah, the pricing I will do as I go. Okay, then I need to double check. Sometimes you need to ignore the blah blah from the AI. Like, Tommy also says this, I also say this. Max out your ads. If you're a level 1 seller and you can use ads, click it on all of your gigs. Do not listen to the AI. Look, in my opinion, let me see, I don't care if you all see this, I'm very open with it. In the last 6-7 months, I've spent 470 on this. This is wrong. The sales thing doesn't work for me. But I've made more money than I spent on the ads. So always put it up maximum. Click it on every single one. Maximum daily budget of 100. It never goes up there, by the way. It only stays at like, actually I don't know, but it never goes to 100 up day. So just crank it up to the max and let it run. Just let it run. Here, just up to per click here. And just let it run. And ads do give me a lot of clients, I think so, at least like 70k impressions, 1000 clicks. It just doesn't update correctly, but I don't know why. Also, I'm working on my mobile app on the site. I am very happy with it. It was working like a bit on the side. We will make a mascot. I'll probably make a tiger mascot, because if you like look at all the mobile apps currently, all of them have like a nice mascot, and those mobile apps have like multi-million-dollar revenues. It's like this thing, BytePal. This app made loads and loads of money, and in my opinion, well, they're smart. They do exactly what, if you all know call.ai, it does the exact wrong thing. Call AI, it's not call, it's like this, call AI. They do the exact same thing as them. Exact same thing, but they have over 100k paying users, I think around 500k a month. Users, x20 or x$10. That's millions and millions of dollars a month. And this is a small company. Do note, this is like 5 people, max. And they are making this not much money. It's crazy. Let me also shut off the random simulators that I see that are on. Don't know why. But I will make something like this. You like in every mobile app, I would recommend everybody that makes one make like a cute mascot, because that sells apparently. And all you have this, and you have also Finn self-care app. I don't know the exact name. Here, Finch. They also have like a penguin mascot. 600k reviews, 10 mil downloads, and it's like 20 or 10 bucks a month to join this. And this is like proven to work. You have like loads of these companies. You just need a mascot in your app. And I'll like make a tiger mascot generated with like ChatGPT image. You would think so, J35, but all of these award-winning companies aren't unique. This is literally Call AI. Call AI was first on this, by the way. It's literally, you make photos of your food, and it tells you the calculations. And this is just has like a nice raccoon on it. So it doesn't need to be unique. Like, look at this, and look at Call. And they openly said this, there's like interviews on this. Just copy what works and make it nicer. And the animal mascot does work, a lot of companies now do this. I think if you have a unique ID, it's great, but if you don't have a unique ID, you can even still make money. And there's like loads of these apps. They have like 100k downloads. The ones I showed you just now all have above 500k reviews on App Store. And that's X20 because those people needed to pay monthly. It's crazy. It's it's multi-millions. And they have nice interviews. Like, you have a lot of those interviews, just like 20-year-olds, 21-year-olds making those apps. Or FinTech, self-care was a big company, but we'll ignore that. Yeah, for example, that's a nice idea, and you can make that and sell it. I was gonna make a health app. I have one for myself. I wanted to like make an all-in-one health app, but I just need like some original idea, and I was thinking of adding a mascot. But for example, that could be its own unique app, and you can sell it for 10 bucks or like 10, 15 bucks. And in the end of the day, you just need 500 people paying you like 20 bucks, and you have 10k, or well, 7k. Because you need to like give 30% to Apple, and then you also need to pay tax, and then it's like you've like 4,500 left or something. But it depends on your country for the tax, of course. If you're in the US, it's a bit lower, I think. Come on. I'll keep it open at like the Fiverr ads page. Even though it's like glitched. You're a bit crazy. 47k, $200 spent. Like I've trained my codex. He has like all these random images of me that he uses to like generate it. Like I needed to do all those like Mr. Beast thumbnail templates of me like doing random hand motions and also just random facial expressions. It's funny though. I recommend everyone to do this. Then you can like generate nice original images of yourself. That's also how I made this thumbnail, by the way, for the stream. Cool. I'm now using this to update my Fiverr, by the way, like Fiverr image. I'll like make a nice goal of what the plan is. I'll put that in like a notepad. But nah. If you're starting Fiverr, just crank the ads to max. Also, what the f... Okay, I'm gonna need to do this manual. I give him 5 minutes. If he cannot generate me something nice, I'll go to my pre-made AI. Or like the AI that knows what to do. Because like otherwise, why would I? Like AI is just wasting credits. It doesn't look good. It does kind of look like me. I look like sleep deprived. Also, when you make business or like, always try and wear a white t-shirt. Or well, this is not a white t-shirt, but it's like strange pattern on the t-shirt, but you don't see it. But always try and like wear a white t-shirt because it's like eyes better, especially for these kind of backgrounds. The white stands out. So always try and do that for photos, images, and just business things in general. If you like want to look professional. If not, like just wear a white t-shirt if you do these, or just tell the AI to put you in a white t-shirt. Come on. But as you can see, it does take a while to like update your Fiverr. You need to put effort into it. You cannot like update your Fiverr in just a few minutes. Also, let me see. I'm gonna double check something. Okay, that'll change. I didn't even realize you did that. Nah, Fiverr truly is crazy to like get clients while you do your own personal stuff. Like Fiverr, you just get free clients left and right. Like you will be at the gym or doing your own stuff and you just get messages on the phone. I recommend everyone that's doing Fiverr, download the Fiverr app on your phone. It's like 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute to like download the app and sign up and just connect your account. Then you just can see all your orders, see the money flowing in, and answer your DMs. Yo, Johnny, welcome to the stream. I'm gonna update my Fiverr A to Z. I'm first doing the thumbnails, but he's taking his time, man. And I look sleep deprived on that photo, but I hope you'll fix that. Because this photo is fully AI generated, by the way. He just generates me, like, images now. What do you mean most running? With ads? If you mean ads, it's this one. But do note, I don't put money in Fiverr. This is all money I made in Fiverr, and I just keep the money on there to, like, spend on ads. Or, well, Fiverr keeps the money. If you do the settings, you don't even know that the money is gone. Like, it's 400 bucks or so in the last 6-7 months, so. Don't know, Johnny, I don't know. Vibe coding, I think. It's this one. But I only sell vibe coded stuff. Or, well, vibe code. Custom coded, like they say. This one, I think. It has 6 reviews. I also have the other one. I used to, like, sell more this. Because then this was, like, my main gig. It was before they added vibe coding into... Or, like, before I discovered the vibe coding category. But now I'm gonna, like, shift to it. But it doesn't matter, like, you just need to put gigs in coding categories. It doesn't matter if it's WordPress, like, I get WordPress clients, and then I sell them vibe-coded stuff, like, and then I, like, convince them to go to Replit and make an account and so on. You need to be in all categories, Wix, so on. For example, from this I've gotten clients, 29 clicks, it doesn't say so, but I do know, because if you go and look into the analytics in depth, you can see. Even some of these get lower impressions, you still get clients from them. It's just these two are my main, or the ones that mainly get the attention. Can you push cap more? Nah, there's a real limit. It says like manage daily budget 1000, but it doesn't work. Like I've only spent this year 470 in like my total lifetime. There's not. You just cannot increase it. When you start on Fiverr and you're level 1, put the cap at 100. Just put the money at 100 and just spend on ads. Cool. It has been like 5 minutes. Still the same thumbnail. It's a glitch. I don't know why it's a glitch, but like you can check my reviews and everything, but this is just a glitch. Or maybe it's a way I send. Don't know. I just know I do get orders and enough clicks, but this is just a glitch. But actually I don't know why it is like that. I do know I just get orders from it, so I keep it. Because when people DM you, it says promoted, and then I know, okay, he came from the ads, and I have gotten clients from ads. I just don't know why it doesn't pop up. I think... Or actually I don't know if Tommy also had this glitch. Don't know. Come on. Generate me my image. Yeah, yo Forts, I thought I already said hi. Welcome to the stream, Forts. Yeah, sorry if I didn't notice you. Cool. Okay, this AI better cook something up in Canva. If I see dog shit thumbnails, we're going to ChatGPT image 2, like the original plan was, and I'll just make it from scratch. He better cook. This better be good, like. Okay. Yo, Mohammed, welcome to the stream. Bro, this better be good, come on. Because what we'll do today, we'll do the thumbnails, we'll do the pricing, and we'll do the descriptions and so on. But I first want the thumbnails done, so I can just copy paste them at the end. In like each gig. Oh, come on, lock in. Lock in ChatGPT, come on. I do find it funny, like, Codex constantly changing their name. Like, now it used to be, like, Codex, then it was ChatGPT, Codex, and now it's back ChatGPT. I do think it will stay like this now, just instead of Codex GPT. Also, I'll put this miniature thing here. I do like this sprite we made some time ago. Oh, the metadata shouldn't be important, man. Come on. But as you can see, like, there's a lot of people in the stream, and like Tommy also said, complaining that Fiverr doesn't work, but you really need to put effort into it. Like, take your time updating everything, make a good thumbnail and so on. Update your thumbnails once a while. And don't make AI slop thumbnails, like, I'll just go to the internet, it's like easier. AI slop photos. If I can find a few, like, good examples. Well. Just don't make it standard. Make it look amazing. Use reference images. You have literally the entire internet, and still I see like pure AI slop on Fiverr. Like I'll go to Fiverr and check for a while. Yes, Codex one day just crashed on me, and when I opened it, just says it. Yeah. Let me see. Use Claude. Claude is also decent. I would try both of them and see which one you like more. I would say Codex can do more. Codex can do like much more. And I also scroll for a bit, like look at competitors and so on. Also, am I still on the top? Ah, nah. Sometimes I'm on the top there. But yeah, don't do this. Like, don't use AI slop thumbnails for the most of it. For example, this one. But I'm now just looking a bit at examples. Also, don't always look at the top selling. Don't look at the top selling vibe codecs all the time, because that isn't good to do. Always just look a bit at everyone. For example, this guy and so on. Well. Actually, I should make a video. We have a Claude, or Codex, I mean. Somebody just copied Tommy's thumbnail here. Crazy. Like, I'll already say this. Like, I know you can get orders from this, but don't be copying people's exact thumbnails. Like, look at Tommy's and look at this. Nah, definitely J35. Get that money up. It doesn't matter. You can use Fiverr, you can use Upwork. I just recommend, and me and Tommy recommend Fiverr because we can show it works. But you can make money anywhere on the internet. Dribbble, Upwork. Any tips on cloud prompting? I've had... Wait, what do you say? I've had Cloud Pro for 2 months now, but if I don't give the rules, I'm looking for this. Download Whisperflow. What I would do is go to Whisperflow or any other, Lemon or whatever. Yeah, but people copy, like, people always try and imitate you forts. It's their own mistake that they're not adding their original branding. They will just lose money on it, not Tommy. Because people can see the guy with more orders and the one that doesn't. But now, Mohamed, download this, Whisperflow, and then you can speak with the AI. Then you can really talk and so on. Bro. This is AI slop. I'm not satisfied, bro. Okay, use ChatGPT image too. I'm not satisfied with the thumbnails you gave me. I don't care if they were like a bit different for each ChatGPT image generation, but that shouldn't be a problem. Generated fully via ChatGPT image too. Now, thank you. Always say thank you to the AI chat, guys. Always. Ah, that's also a good idea. Yeah, or use spokenly. Just use something like a voice transcript tool that you don't need to type, because if you're very vocal, it will help you. Now, definitely, Alden, we're definitely getting it. We're updating the Fiverr profile pictures now, or the thumbnails, and then we'll see, and then we'll update the description and so on. Peace, plan. Yeah, also what J35 says, brainstorm. What I would recommend if you have Claude, I know a lot of people don't do this, but let me see where it is. Chats. If my Claude code wants to show. Go here, go research. Tell your AI to research what he's building, and you will have the full spec / prompts ready. And he will do the research, what stack is the best, what backend, what code, and so on. But always use research at the start of a project. It doesn't matter if it's on Fable or Opus, but I would recommend you do Fable, or depends. Okay, come on. Come on, ChatGPT, cook. And soon nice. I'm coding my GIF live as well, so I'm gonna leave you to it. Ah, nice. I don't know what Git live. I'll live as well. Wait, I'm coding. Ah, GIF live as well. Okay. Now 100% I won't make videos. I've been testing the AI Codex editor, and he's getting more. The editing on Codex is getting good, so I'll probably make full edited videos. But now I've like checked. Ah, okay, the game. I had a vibe coder game. My bad. What do you think? Yeah, I will definitely make videos soon. And I've like, Codex is amazing for video editing. Like, it can make such crazy stuff, so I'll use that. I need to like talk for like 40 minutes, because I need to then work in scripts. I tested it. So he just gives me a script, or just tells me explain your stuff, and then he needs to edit and see with the transcript. But it's set up in Streamlabs, like I'll make a video on that too for the streamers. But let me see if I can show it quickly. The way I do this, you need to have multiple of these things set up, that it can capture multiple audios, and then the AI can edit it. It's like a .mov file, and then the AI can optimize the audio on everything, that it has like all the different sounds. For example, if I'm on the podcast, like on the Vibe podcast, I have people on different audios, so the AI can change that for later on. It does take a while, so bear with me, chat, that you're not seeing a lot of action. It's just because the AI needs to work, and like he's generating everything. You can just like go on autopilot and don't do anything, because Codex has ChatGPT, Codex, whatever you want to call it, has full access to ChatGPT Image 2. You just need to tell him to use it. For example, the thumbnail of the stream is made with ChatGPT Image 2 fully, and well, photos of my face too, but yeah, fully ChatGPT Image 2. And truly, if you prompt, like, as an expert, you can make such great stuff with ChatGPT Image. It's so crazy what you can make. Like, top, I would say, designer level, or like Mr. Beast thumbnail quality. I'm now like letting the AI see what style and so on, and then we'll see. I will also double check something on Fiverr, without me leaking my info or my social security. I want to see if I can become vetted, even though I'm like 18, or if there's like something I can do to become vetted. Let me see. Let me see. Wait, I need to fill in my full legal name. Yo, Tabesh, welcome to the stream. Let me fill in my full legal name for a moment for this. Well, think on the stream you all have my name. But anyway. Hunter Yip on Fiverr. And let's see if I can become vetted like a vibe coder. Because I see they recently added it. There's so many vetted vibe coders, but you cannot vet being a vibe coder. It's not a school for vibe coding. Yet. What close to new Alex, bro? Ah, crazy. You cannot become vetted. Nah, people know my name. Everyone, my name is Yinti, bro. Everybody can know my name. You don't have a lot with it. I don't even think most can write my name, so. My name is like highly. It's just like glitched. 1 in a million, or well. If you go to China, I think you can find my name a lot. I like the thumbnails. It doesn't look like AI slop. It looks decent. Like compare. I like it. I like it. My real name is everybody leaking their social, or well, their government name. For all the ones that want to log, the reason my username is Hunter, it was like Hunter Yip, that was like my username in video games. And I just kept it as like a business name on Fiverr, because I was like, Hunter Yip, because nobody's gonna, like a regular guy is not gonna pronounce my real name, or cannot pronounce my real name. Or it's hard to do, and they will be like messing up the pronunciation and whatever. So Hunter Yip was an easy to say name in general. I'm also double checking, that's why my screen is so white. I'm like double checking if I can become a vetted seller. Because for all the ones wondering, I don't have like a diploma in college. Also because I'm 18. And I like just decided I didn't want to go. Yeah, that's the thing. Like you'll question me more if I say my name is Yinti. But yeah, or well, Yinti. Some people say Yan. But cool. Can I not become a vetted seller without some diploma? Let me see. Yeah, like, I will say this to everyone. If your name is, like, very complex, make a simple username on Fiverr. For example, don't do, well, no hate to you, Forts, but if you start a Fiverr account, don't say the Forts, like, just put, like, a simpler name. That people in, like, the corporate world can just say your name without, like, sounding strange. For example, let me see. Let me think who will get the fire today, or like. Oh god, everyone's using it. Like, just don't have a complex name. Just don't have a complex name that everyone can easily pronounce it, especially for business. For the dip papers. Yeah, maybe. But in my opinion, like, you cannot learn vibe coding on school. It's the same as, or well, now you can learn coding on school, but like, in most schools, just learn. For example, no hate to the people doing this. Absolutely no hate. But if you're studying game development, in my opinion, just make an indie game. Like, learn game development online. You're not gonna learn it in some random school studio without like, you're not gonna learn it in school, but people that are like teaching you game development that have never made a game. Just look on YouTube on how to make games for indie studios and so on. I would say J35 is a good name. Just normally you cannot have names in like Fiverr profiles, but it is a good name, easy to say and so on. But cool. Can I get verified on Fiverr or like vetted? Come on. Because I do want to get like vetted for Fiverr and I have like the nice thing. Yeah, but I have Fiverr Pro, bro. I literally pay you all 40 bucks. Okay, we'll skip this for now. I have copyright for J35, nice. If you really do, that is nice though, and just funny to have. Define valid. For example, Fiverr. Well, Tommy is also not valid, just like something Fiverr has. But everyone can have this, you just need to show some papers, apparently. But I want to see if I can get it. Let me see. This. But you just need to fill in some paper, that's the thing. Like, you see all these people with valid, they just filled something in. And I want to see if I can get that too. That I can, like, get above the people, get above the league. Because I'm not top rated yet. I will be top rated in, like, at the end of the month. I just need to do 3 clients, and then it should be good. And then I'm, like, top rated. Vibe codes. Yeah, it feels more legit, but, well, Tommy's Fiverr choice, so he doesn't need to worry about that, But for example, this is what I mean. Like, Johnny, look at this. 1 order. I have, like, 30 or something, or, like, 8 on that gig that I have. But he's number... Look. Let me even check his... Okay, he does have reviews, and he worked for Apple and Fiverr. Okay, never mind then. No hate, no hate. Bro, Figma is nice though, like... Let's look at this website. You need to fill in some... You need to show your diploma, apparently. But I don't have a diploma. But I don't get how vibe coders can become valid. Because there's no vibe coding school, so... I think I'm just gonna fill in the form. Yeah. No hate, but it looks kinda shit. Nah, it does look nice. No hate. That's for Figma design. I'm just looking, you always look at your competitors and so on. But I'll figure out how I become vetted. They just need to look at you specifically. I find it strange Tommy doesn't have that yet. But well, he's Fiverr's choice. Yeah, but everyone can get vetted. That's the thing, J35. You need to... Or well, not everyone, but you need to have a diploma, apparently. Yeah, here he worked... He worked for Apple, book covers. But we'll just get top rated seller and Fiverr's choice. Nah, but I would recommend everyone, like, try different platforms. Don't focus your money. Yeah, Dr. Hunter Yip for... No, everyone in the chat needs to call me that now. My new name. But nah, try everything. Don't just focus on Fiverr. Like, make your apps and so on. Like, make your apps, do Upwork. Try Dribble. You can make money off everything. Try School, so on. WOP. UGC content. I know... I have not done it a lot, I've tried it. You can make money from it. UGC on WOP. I'm not saying it's a good way. Like, I can prove with vibe coding you can make enough to make a living. But with WOP, UGC, you can also make 1,000 extra. Or like 5k if you do it very, very well. And you just need to like film yourself a lot though. It depends if you're a lot vocal. It depends if you're very vocal or not. I will see if how good these thumbnails are, like once they're done. They do look like me. Yo, Somu Flax, haven't seen you in a while. Welcome to the stream. We're now... Oh, I have like a hiccup. We're updating Fiverr currently. I'm making the thumbnails. It is taking a while though. Oh. But then I can also talk with stream, chill a bit, and we're not in a rush. Let me see what I even need to fill in. Video. Ah, okay. Okay, now I know what vetted is. I'll get that up and running soon. Apparently, you don't need to be vetted in coding. You can just like, you can vet yourself in like sports or like in finance. But I'll figure that out soon. Just to like have my profile a bit more interesting, because currently, let me scroll for a bit. I'm pretty sure I can find my profile in a few. Oh well, Jacob is on the vibe coding page earlier than me. Sometimes my gig pops up in the front, sometimes not. Why are Uncle making an agency and giving people? Nah, Somoflex, I am already making enough money to sustain myself. And Fiverr is not the only job I do. It's to also help the people in the Dollar Vibe Club. That's the whole goal, to show people it's possible to make money and give people opportunities. I already make enough. Like I make enough, and it's to give to the community and show everyone that it's possible. And like give everyone the chance. And that's why we have the agency for the Dollar Vibe Club. And then we also do more, like giving people free PDF helps a lot. But people also need to see that agency boards. Like just PDFs isn't gonna make people believe it. If you get what, everyone can make money, and there's this free PDF, and some people don't even follow it to the ladder. Everyone can make money, and I will stand by that. Everyone that wants to work and really gives it their all can make 10k a month. And I would even argue it's possible in every country. And don't give me dumb excuses like I'm from Turkey, I'm from Sweden. Like, I would argue, and also Tommy says this, yes, India, for example, is very hard to get people and get to 10k a month. But 2,000 in India is like equal to around 10k in Belgium, or something around that. Let me see. Like, I'm just like taking up inspiration. Like, take it all in. See the competitors. My dog shit thumbnails, bro. Or well, not dog shit, but Professor. Yeah, Professor Hunter or Professor Yinty. Don't know. Looks kinda dog shit, I'm not gonna lie. It's like sometimes using the... try and enhance, for example, AI vibe coding AI MVP webmaster, and fix your AI app. I don't like the backgrounds. I like the text, but the backgrounds for those need to be better. Also, try and like use real images from online. Like make them. Don't make it already looks good. Just follow all the instructions and check short edits. The agent, and he will help you. They have the full prompt, he's just not using it. Otherwise I will go to this one, because I know he can make stuff like this. But I want to keep everything in separate chats. Well, yeah, you'll have a lot of patience with like... Yeah, but you need to have that with people. And I was also there when I was like a 16-year-old. But you just need to lock in, and it's people... It's mindset. It's mindset what they have, and that's the problem. That they believe that they're like... They're just making excuses for themselves. Like, or people asking too many questions instead of doing work. And that's with all in life. Like, you have people that are like that, and you can change the way those people are. Nah, but the thing is, not a lot of people know what roast means. Or like, only the youngsters know what that means, or people involved in the internet culture, and you need to like have the gigs accessible to everyone. But that is funny though if you like put it on a gig, but still. We're here to make money, not for the meme. Or on Fiverr at least. For the streams, I'm all for memeing. Whoa, go on. I wanna like have the good thumbnail set up, and then I don't need. Then I can just like go to my descriptions. But I'm also doing some other stuff on the side, double checking some stuff, seeing if I can like take a thumbnail. Let me see. Okay. Okay, this is kind of only good for clickbait thumbnails. You're 1.5 years older than me? Yeah, but you can also lock in, like, even when I was in high school, I was trying to hustle, or like Tommy says, or whatever the people say. You can make money at any age, just less. But if I remember right, Forge, you're from France? Or Luxembourg? I remember French or Luxembourg. I remember you work in France. But try local sales. Just call some people locally and get money that way. It doesn't need to be a lot. Even like, I know at like a young age, especially 16 or 17, 500 bucks is a lot, or 1,000 bucks from a client as like a 16, 17-year-old, that is a lot of money. And you can buy a PC with that. That's what I did when I was younger. I bought like a full PC with that money. But at like an overkill PC, I do say that. It's overkill. But I don't use it anymore, like, just because I travel now. I use the Mac Mini more. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. I'm like getting some thumbnails. I'll maybe share the sauce with where and how I make the thumbnails later. Because there's like a good site where you can get thumbnails, but they're mainly like for videos, not Fiverr. We'll let the AI do its thing. Yo, Alden, welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Cool. I'll maybe just continue with the other thing. What is this? Come back. Alright, yeah, we're now just making thumbnails. I'm like, first I want to get the thumbnails fully set up, and then I'll go into the depth of the subscriptions. He's stealing people's thumbnails. Nah, but in my opinion, do take rest, but also vibe code while you do it. Let the AI work. For example, I was making my mobile app, and I just sleep and let the AI run. This is a bit of a sneak peek on the mobile app. It is looking good though. And I'll launch this at the end of the week. But we'll still need like a mascot though. Oh. Not satisfied with AI's work, man. Let me see. What the fuck was that? The mental health app, I was making that too. No, that's like the grit tracker app. I know I've like a lot of apps, but I just need to like start promoting them, that I do know. Let me copy my thumbnail. I think this is the shit AI, but we'll skip. Normally he should be smart enough. Yeah, okay, he's smart enough. Put me in this image, please. Also, make sure that the text is bigger because we're gonna use this for Fiverr, for like a Fiverr thumbnail. So make sure the text is very, very readable. And also maybe, well, yeah, just make sure the text is bigger. Now I have a Dario as my crazy. Do send me it once you release the ADE or IDE. Do send it to me. Cool. The AI better be cooking up the most multi-million-dollar thumbnails. Like the thumbnails it generated was decent, but I want them better. If you were a true fan, that's right, you would. Okay, you're already streaming, Alden. Nice, but I think I already followed. Wait, let me see. Wait, let me check something. Crazy. Wait, I'll share a photo I received from J35. Dario pulling up codex is like insane humiliation. Come on. Come on, AI, work. I'll put it on this screen also. Like, always do it like this, and then you can like transfer yourself into it. And just it's important because sometimes like you have facial anomalies or that you're like smiling uncanny in like AI photos and so on. Also, do note you have like unlimited usage and inside ChatGPT Image 2 if you have the paid plan. If you're on the 20x, I think it's even unlimited, or even on $20, it's like 50 generations. Cool. Could you make me any more cursed, AI? What the fuck is this? Do it better. This image looks cursed. I cannot explain why. I find it funny because I gave him photos of me because I know what jacket he's trying to like put in there. It's like some Armani jacket. On like, it was some photo I found in my phone with me wearing that jacket, but it just removed the logos. I need the exact image, same background, just bigger text, a bit bigger text, and just me in the photo, that's it. Or maybe even keep the text. I don't know if that's decent enough to like read, but figure it out and put me in there first. But we're taking it slow today for the Fiverr. Now the thumbnails are the most important. They're the first thing that people see. It's very important to have that up to date. Like, it's no use if you have the SEO and everything correct in the description if the people don't seem interested by your thumbnail. And especially in a world full of AI slop, you need good thumbnails. Because now people are starting to realize, okay, that's an AI generated thumbnail. So do try and improve upon those like design skills for everyone in the chat. And just everyone that sees this or hears this, like, let me see. I thought I already subscribed, but let me see. Are we serious, AI? Are we goddamn serious? AI, toch. Wait, why am I in a blue t-shirt? Can I... Let me just see. Here. I didn't even know you started streaming. I thought I had subscribed already. Nice. But definitely keep up the grind. Stream every single day, or almost every single day. Every single day for like the first 30 days is a must. Make the text a bit bigger, thank you. Don't know if my face or head looks cursed. Also, maybe make my head a bit bigger, it looks kinda strange. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, no, that's like a delay. Maybe you have stream delay. Let me check for you. Nah, it's probably just the first stream, just glitching a bit. Let me see, thumbnails. No, I haven't watched that movie yet, but I might watch it online. Let me see. ID to app in minutes. I just want to see how it looks first. Let me go to my gigs and then update one that I don't use. Just so I can take a look and see. Well, this one has updated. I don't want to change. Here, personal webmaster. I look like a Spain football player, crazy. If you can find the name, send me it though. Like, I've heard that I look like Asmongold's little nephew, Kylo Ren. But I am curious though, what celebrity or what my lookalike is, or what I forgot what some guy in the chat exactly said. But is it clickbait worthy? I see potential. No, I see potential in this. Let me see how it's like structured. Make sure that the text is a bit bigger and like more central, as you can see on this image. Thank you. And we just see what works, man. We see what works. But I'll probably use these thumbnails, but then I have something to do in the meanwhile. Nah, they also subscribe, but nah, definitely Alden. Keep streaming every single day. The multiplayer coders came from. How the fuck does he have a photo of my setup? AI stalking me, man. Like, how does he know I use the Mac Mini and everything? Nah, that's funny though. having Dario in the ADE. Yo, welcome Linux to the stream. I'm now updating my Fiverr. Let me see. Let me see, Mark. Do I? Nah, I don't look like him, I would say. Don't even have the beard. Maybe later in life. Nah, we don't question it, man. It just knows. Let me see. Motherfucker didn't change anything. Put the text more in the middle, please. Thank you. I would say it did make me a bit buff there on the photo. Like Pujol more, but I don't know those footballers. I would say he's a retired football player. Mark. Oh, it is an old message. I think. But I am happy with these thumbnails, I suppose. We're waiting for this to update and then we'll continue with the Fiverr text. Yeah, go with the Holland. Who the fuck is that? I only know Holland as in the... I thought it was Holland or Holland. Oh wow, I assume it's this what you mean. But I'll also use this, I just wanted to see how this looks. And we experiment, guys. Like, experiment with your thumbnails. Don't just copy Tommy. Like, I've seen at least 4 people straight up copy Tommy's thumbnails. That's not the... Yeah, Holland as in the football. Like, that's the only one I know from that name. Gone. It looks like me older, though. But I did used to have this haircut. But then my hair grew, and now I have like this. Was it you copying? No, but there's people copying straight up Tommy's gigs. Don't do that, that just screws yourself. Like, it doesn't help the algorithm. Well, the algorithm. You just screw yourself over by copying Tommy full on. Tiny bit more in the middle, please. Thank you. Oh. Nah, but there's some people. Let me see. Then I'll show you what I mean. Here, like here, 2, like here, number 1, number 2. And then check this. Like I showed you, don't copy Tommy's thumbnails. They're just stupid to do. Like add your own stuff into it. Don't full on copy it. And yes, you will get clients by doing that, I suppose, but just make your own thumbnail. Let me see. Okay. Okay, all the changes will start with the first thumbnail. Just give me all the things that need to be edited, and then I'll do it step by step. We'll first do the first gig and so on. Just a Fiverr message. Or my schizo. What? Wait. Wait, I need to do message it home. Wait, I got a Fiverr message, let me see. I can't even see those colors, man. Let me see, yeah, Linux retracted the message. Then you need to like double check and go watch the replay of the stream. Nee, het is dezelfde kleur. Het is gewoon een designkeuze en dan lijkt het iets donkerder. Maar het is nogmaals dezelfde kleurtype. Het lijkt gewoon zo omdat het van een tekst, van een button naar tekst gaat. It now is like, fix this. It's now just, I need, right here. Put the text more to the left. Put the text a bit more to the left, thank you. But I'll just use my other thumbnail. What the fuck? Strangest question I've gotten in a while from a Fiverr guy. I'm building my own AD due to hard limit. Yeah, you already said that before, Linux, but once it's done, send it to me. I would love to try it, or see the whole ADE. Where's my Safari open? This is why you charge the clients 5k, man, for these kind of questions. But nah, always go the extra mile for the client, especially if they ask something like make the button blue. Also debate with your client. Like, for example, if your client says something so absurd for like a design style, just straight up say it to him. It's your job to also help the client with his business. Don't just be a yes man. Motherfucker. He's not listening. Okay. Listen to me. You now just fully copied the Fiverr frame into the image. That's not what I need. But well, we'll use the other. Ja, dit is te verbeteren. En ik zal alles aanpassen aan jouw designkeuze. Ik volg snel op. Let me see what he wants. Wow, the AIs. We all like you sometime, hun. No clue, man. I'm like also reading what the client needs to have, or like for the demo or something. Just some don't know. He wants something orange or something. Let me see. I think it's this one. Let me see. Like always, when the client send, always like do your work. Like you literally get money from just on Fiverr from just doing your own thing. I can't even see the difference between those two oranges. Oh, which one? And this one. Nah, I have that haircut. I had that haircut like 6 months ago, but my hair grows longer, and you don't see it with the headset. Let me see. Yeah, just me older. I look much older in that photo. I look like 26. We'll see how I look like 6 years in advance, or from that image, or like from the thumbnail. Let me see. I'm just experimenting a bit, like, I'll probably use these thumbnails anyway, but... Okay, no, it's not the updated image. Okay. It do look strange in here, but no problem. Let me see. I'll just take this one. Maybe it's like closer. Text a bit more to the left. Just maybe move me a bit out of frame and the text a bit more to the left. Thank you. Just move everything a bit more to the left and more empty space on the guides. We're already here like 1 hour on the thumbnails, but like take your time with everything, like especially for this, and I'm not in a rush. And I'm also still thinking inside my head if I would want to do these kind of thumbnails or just keep the regular flow. I might do one of these just to see. Also, why is there a frame? Okay, and never mind, it's all good now. Okay, no clue. I just want to see how, what, where, and so on. That's too far apart. Make sure that there's less white space on the guides. Like, less, way less. I think, what you added, minus 60%, or like minus 70%. Give it a moment while we do our stuff. Yeah, the full roadmap is complete. Okay, thank you. First up is AI MVP, I assume. I've been totally immersed in Vipecon for the past week, but I stepped back from everything. For me, it's not like that. I just keep working Linux. I just keep working as the money comes in. One question, should I choose Didi? I would go 32 GB. Personally, I would just go take the 32 GB. Or a gigabyte. But it depends what you want to do. But I would even say, with 16 gigabytes, you have enough to vibe code, if that's the main goal. And then just make enough money and then upgrade your setup. Okay, now we wait until everything is done. Now I can update it. Like working with the headset is strange because normally I don't wear a headset. Normally I just have like the Mac Mini speakers on or AirPods. But then I don't have like a good mic. But I'll see. Like I'll probably maybe buy a mic later on, like a mic that's like attached to the table. Okay, come on, update it, please. It depends what you do, but in most cases the dual is better though. Come on. We've been struggling too much with the thumbnails, bro. But just because I wanted to see how this looks, like to have a unique thumbnail on all of them. Because I have one review on this. I don't know, I don't remember from what, but... I'll probably use this as like a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, is it done? It's done. Okay, the full roadmap. Okay, let's get started. Gig written best gig practices. Let's get started. Oh, step by step. First, you give me the full instructions for the first thumbnail now. Or for the first gig, I mean, with like everything attached, what I need to do for the first gig. We could have done this in like an hour, but messing with the thumbnails was fun though. Go on, let's get started. We'll get this done in like an hour. Or, well, in 1 hour 50. Well, 1 hour 30, it's doable. Come on. Come on. Let me check Tommy's thing really quick. Okay, like I'll ask the AI that later. And then we'll just get this like running 40 minutes, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, and then we're done. Ryzen CPUs to the moon. I'm personally more a fan of Nvidia, just because you have some benefits of it, and they have like the free model library. And cloud gaming. But well, you don't need a GPU or a Nvidia CPU to use cloud gaming, so. Come on, AI, lock in, please. Also, I need to say this. My bad, bro. My bad. I meant GPUs then, or I misread. Nah, there currently are 2 PDFs. There are 2 PDFs in the Discord, but and all the other PDFs are just random stuff, but they're not in the Dollar Vibe Club. I think the best way is just Linux, go to Freelance Fridays on Tommy Yip XYZ's, his YouTube. Just go to Tommy's YouTube. Each Freelance Friday he like talks about it. Nah, definitely Nvidia all the way for game or like for GPUs. I just misread the CPU GPU. I would do 3 hours. Start with like 3 or 2 hours always minimum. Always at least 2 hours. Come on, load. Okay, you can just push to Versailles normally. Yeah, definitely. Do check Freelance Fridays. He explains it. He goes more in depth than like the Fiverr. But definitely, just follow those PDFs to the ladder, upload them to AI, and you can get started with clients. But do note you need local sales, but those PDFs explain it fully. Go on. Motherfucker. I wanted it in chat. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's what I need, man. Okay. Problem number uno, AI is schizophrenic. Okay, I'll wing it. Well, wing it. I know what I need to type. You also want to drop an eye on Vibe code? Let me see. Go to sites. Oh, nice. Now I'll definitely keep an eye on it. Once the game is fully launched, I will also test it. Image I'll change. I know there's like a better way to do this, but I'm just doing it like this. It's just because my screen is like zoomed in, that's why, but you can change that. Yeah, it's in the same channel. Definitely take a look at it, study it, the PDF, and also upload it to AI so we can also take a full look at it. Okay, I'm gonna put the AI here. Y'all cannot see it anymore, but then it's easier for me to copy paste. Yeah, it's just if it's make sure he just optimizes it for like tablet and so on, because it's just because he thinks my view or the way I visit the website is like on a tablet or something. Don't listen to the AI, just put it at this. Then you erase these. What else? What else? Okay, we'll do this step by step. First, give me the titles and then the descriptions for those packages. Thank you. Also, instead of me manually adding project photos, can you just make me mockups with like projects in them? Or well, not even mockups, just generate me like a AI generated website inside that image. Thank you. Oh no, I got your IP now. Oh, so? What did he send? Yeah, but no, I know Alden. He good. He good. Okay. Nah, I know that Linux, but like, I know Alden. He good. Like, I trust that he doesn't send me strange links. Like, if a random guy comes in the chat and tells me to check something, it's not for you. Yeah. But I do, like, if there's a shady link in the chat, I don't go to it. But in most cases, it just depends what kind of link. But, well, yeah, I do get it. It's like, you had a lot of tools in the past to do that stuff. Now you can talk with it. Nah, it cost Alden, so... Oh. We close it. Come on. Also, let me already check if this is good. Always when you're updating your Fiverr, do save and preview and then open another window. And then you can like see how the gig looks in standard. Oh, okay, we already have a lot of clients in here. These are all kind of, well, no hate, but old clients. I need like new ones. Or well, old. You'll know what I mean. I want some of the newer clients on there, but I don't think they had it like activated. How are you building an app through coding or you? I'm using AI, and like, in my opinion, all the people not a fan of it just accept vibe coding as a new way and so on. But I'm like doing something off screen, checking something now for Fiverr gigs. You can still go just use, yeah. But nah, Huckster Gamer, I'm a full vibe coder, I'm 18 and I make money online doing it. Also, let me double check this thumbnail. I'll just put it on the screen again. This is how it looks in Fiverr, and you need to like make sure there's more space on the left side, and also make sure that my mouth isn't open on the thumbnail. Like, generate me with like with a bit of a smile or like a smug face or like professional, but don't put my fucking mouth open in some of the thumbnails, man. I don't know how he got that photo, but these aren't photos of me. He's just generating them. Nah, but definitely, I'm very curious for the Vibe Coder game once it releases. And Huxer Gamer, I would say vibe coding is GOAT. No. You can literally no hate Huxer, but Lovable is the most well. I do not normally hate on tools, but Lovable is not great. I would normally say a slur on it or something, but use Claude and Codex. Those two, and you can make a full app. Or well, maybe Replit, but that's also expensive. Replit is very good if you do commercial clients. But I would say, first off, do you mean app? As in like mobile app, web app? But Claude and Codex, that's the only thing you need, pretty much. And then you can like even do it for free with like Superbase for Sal. Let's go, I like it because I'm also doing those stuff and I will stream once I make. Ah, is it? Okay. Yeah, if your network isn't secure, that is true. But yeah, always be careful if you're... Now I'm asking you. I'm asking you, hacker. Are you making a web app or AI app? You can make both with Claude and Codex, by the way. But yeah, always be careful that you don't leak your IP and stuff. Especially in this day and age. And just make sure your Wi-Fi is secure. Then they can't like boot it offline or like not as much. Let me see what I want to send. I'll show you. That's what I use. But in my opinion, you don't need an ADE. Just work with Claude and Codex desktop app. You don't need some fancy tool. Just... Nah, you can do it with AI, but what I always say, hacker or hacker gamer, like, don't expect to type in Claude, say, I want $1 million app to make 10 mil, or like, if you type in it, make me a $10 million website, it's not gonna make you a $10 million website. You need basic knowledge, but it's so simple. If you don't learn it, it's a waste of, like, you literally, I talked with senior developers about this, it's their words, not mine. With AI, you have 50 senior developers at your service, and they can make anything you need. And yes, you need, and you can educate yourself in like architecture of like wireframing, backend, server security, and so on. Yeah, you just need to know how to prompt, and don't expect like typing simple 100 mil company, that he's gonna make you a $100 million company. You need to talk, like, use whisper flow, be vocal, talk what you want. But everyone can learn it. It's easy, I would say. But everything is easy if you want. If you want to go to the gym, it's easy. If you want to make money, it's easy. Everything is easy. It's just people are lazy. Gallop. Do /goal. Like, all the people selling you a fancy ADE or IDE, it's just a scam. You've literally do /goal and it will go on autopilot if you really want it to be fully autonomous. But you don't want that. Just like help it step by step, and for the backend it can do it A to Z. Nah, for sure, like, stay safe on the internet, man. Yeah, be sure that you're always protected on the internet. For me, I don't really care, and I have a VPN, so. Or well, actually I don't know if I have it on this machine. Or well, I should set that up soon, like. But what do you want to make? Gallop, tell me, what kind of project you want to make? I am curious now. And for all the ones new in the stream, do join dollarvibeclub.com. We literally teach you how to make money. dollarvibeclub.com, sign up, go to classrooms, scroll all the way down, and there's a free PDF. We don't sell courses. I'm against course selling because it's just LARPing. Like, Selling courses is just mainly selling the dream of getting rich to lazy people. Also, I see the stream is lagging. I think it's my Claude doing some strange stuff. Claude always. I have a second PC7. Ah, nice. Add lock to my whole network. Okay, nice. For me, I just use, or well, how you can't say that on stream. I just use YouTube Premium. We'll keep it at that. Yeah, Codex does eat a lot of usage. I'm currently on the 20x for both Claude, or well, 5x on Claude, I think. But yeah, 5x Claude, 20x Codex. Ah, nice. Did you sell any of them, Gallop? Like, no hate, but I see a lot of vibe coders making a lot of nice stuff, but not selling them or not monetizing them. In my opinion, get a few clients, get some money in the pockets, and then see what you can do and all that stuff, and then see your personal projects. Is Codex better than like Cursor 10? How long do you think it takes? What? It tails TP to learn? Even better. You don't need to learn coding, like, my opinion. This is not even my opinion. NVIDIA CEO himself said it. If you speak English, you can code. You don't need to learn a coding language. English is a new coding language. Just learn. You can learn all of it in a weekend. And you don't need to sit there reading a book of coding. Just learn it as you go. That is the best option. Yeah. You can make money. You can make loads and loads and loads of money off vibe coding. You just need to know what to do and not be lazy. It's in everything in life. Like, it's mainly lazy people. And I'm not even hating on people or something. It's literally, I see people also in Tommy's chats and like in general. Y'all asking too many questions. Just get started. If you want to make money, it's there. It's there for everybody, and there's no... You cannot say a stupid excuse like I'm from Turkey, like... Or like saying, oh, Fiverr doesn't work in Turkey. Like, one Google search and I found out, it works there. Don't be lazy, do research, and get that money, or get that bread, or whatever you want to call it. Let me see. This mine is niche driven, it's horse racing tips. Subscription, you need to find a good niche. Yeah, that you can also do. But you can make money off... You don't need a specific niche, I would argue. You can find a specific niche, but it depends. You can also do freelance work and just work for clients for a bit, get lots of money in the pockets, and then go from there. Okay, this looks better. It looks a bit uncanny, but it's okay. Make sure that the text is a bit bigger. Like, make sure that it just like extends, or like it's just a bit more bigger than on the right side. So you think I just trial error on an app I want using? Nah, if you cannot leak your IP on Cursor. That I do know, and I would, in my opinion, don't pay for Cursor. Either use Replit or just pure Claude code and Codex. You don't need Cursor, I would say. And yes, vibe-coded apps have low security if you don't know how to prompt. But in this day and age, I would argue if you use the high-end models, you will have zero problems. Absolutely zero. Also, the gallery image I love. Can you generate me another one? I always need like a thumbnail and 2 gallery images. Thank you. Yeah, to Codex. Or well, ChatGPT. But in my opinion, you don't need Cursor. Like, it's just a fancy tool. Just, you can make... No, it's ChatGPT. Codex is ChatGPT subscription. And I know, if you don't have a lot of money, it's hard to vibe code, but... I have done this like 6 months ago, and that was on the shitty ass models, or like 8 months ago, I don't remember. You can use the free Claude Code subscription to sell a website for $1,000. It depends. Huxer Gaming, where you from, what country, or what region. Like, just tell me where you're from and I can tell you how easy it's gonna be to make €1,000 or $1,000. crazy security. I might need to set up that security later on Linux, but nah, but that is nice though. Nobody's gonna but nah, I should get into like security more, but I just pay for a VPN and just let it do its thing. England. Okay, so you're in easy mode, I would argue. Now, you're in very easy mode if you're in England. You can even cold call people, I'm pretty sure that. Like, yeah, I know, pretty sure you can cold call that. Okay, how old are you? That's the second question. That depends how easy it is to receive money. But if you want to make 1,000 bucks or euro, it's very possible, especially in a whole month. It's very doable. First off, if you do it that way, go to Claude, tell it to scrape Google Maps, or just go to local businesses. If you have any good friends, or like people, for example, you go to a bakery a lot and you see they don't have a website, talk with them, warm them up. Or like, if you're very social, warm them up and then try and sell them a website. Sell them a website even as the lowest 500 euro, and then you still have, then you have 220x subscriptions. I'm sure my Fiverr been on for years, but I'm real sure. How many? I would say, Gallop, send me your Fiverr, or go to Tommy when he does Freelance Friday and send your Fiverr. Also, I see the... Go to dollarvibeclub.com and download this PDF. Download these 2 PDFs and you have all the info. Follow these step by step and you'll get a client. Oh wait, I'll send it again in the chat here. I'm paranoid because I know what happens in the real world and see it. Yeah. What do you mean, just the stabbings and everything? For me, if you jump me on the street, I jump you hard, or in my opinion, it depends, but I do get what you mean, especially in certain places. For me, I'm okay, like, because I know people don't really jump me on the street here. Yeah, here, dollarvibeclub.com. Go on, AI, load. But yeah, I do know it's like scary though. Like a few years ago, or there was somebody in Belgium with like a crypto wallet, and they pulled up with like a gun to it, or like they robbed him in clear daylight for like his crypto wallet. I don't remember if they got it. I don't think so, because he didn't know his seed phrase, or he just refused to tell the seed phrase. But nah, scary times we live in indeed. Okay, come on AI, work. I also had like a good or like, how many do you think it takes to learn to make your first? Hacker gamer. If you listen to the last few things or last few 30 minutes I was talking, less than a day, less than 2 days. You can make a full app, full web app, everything in a weekend. It's just, if you're lazy, it's gonna take you longer, yes. If you're locked in and want money and are hungry, it's gonna take you less than a weekend. You don't need to know anything. I don't even know coding languages. I stopped learning it. I had it in like high school, but it was like, well, we didn't learn a lot. We were like turning off each other's computers with like Alt F4 and flying drones. But just, you don't need to learn coding languages or backend knowledge or security. You just need knowledge. You need general knowledge and just hunger and wait. Without like my Dutch accent coming up. Entrepreneurialism. You need to just be an entrepreneur. Like, that's it. You just need an ID. You just need to like, that's it. I think this is a good place for Great Surfer. I think this is a good place for the Gateway. Nah, definitely. Oh, what do you mean? Nah, but I do get it. I also talked Linux with like a real... He's like very interested in like cybersecurity and OPSEC. I had like a podcast with him recently. Security is very important, especially in this day and age. And for people from Silicon Valley and those tech startups, it's really important. And it's important to bring those things up, especially for security service. I would say Fiverr as a side hustle. I make over 10k with Fiverr each month. And it's a nice side hustle. And I can like get my own place at 18 with that money too. Then I have like my random startups and random companies I'm employed with. Like, don't make Fiverr your full bread and honey or bread and butter. get it as like a side hustle. The clients will literally send you a DM. Like I've installed it on my phone. They will just send me messages. I would recommend everyone to start streaming, Hacker, or like your journey. I would recommend everyone to start streaming. And I will tell you something, Hacker. If you stream every single day for 30 days as like a G, like they say, let me see. Normally it's here somewhere. Like, let me make sure I don't click on like some tab that leaks everything. Oh, I swear we had like, one moment while I try and find it. Did I remove it or did Tommy remove it? But we have like a stream calendar here somewhere. I can only find it if I'm like on the other stuff. But nah, if you stream 30 days in a row, I will add you on the Dark Vibe Club. We have like loads of streamers and they make money online. And I would recommend everyone just record yourself doing it. Make videos, What I see a lot in vibe coding, people don't promote their apps. Speak, like post on Insta or something if you really want to promote your app. I'm also gonna, like they say, don't listen to what I say, watch what I do. I'm also gonna start doing Insta more and more. But just speak, just make videos, make content. And don't be camera shy, speak what's on your mind and so on. It's a way to practice in English what I deal with the real time. It's a way to practice in English what I deal with in... Yeah, I know, I agree with that. I'm not into cybersecurity a lot, but I do hear from people. It's a rough world, the cybersecurity. Let me see. Yeah, just do that. Make TikTok videos. Don't even... Just start doing it. Just start making those videos, man. Just get on it, start doing it. I'll maybe let them use my other face. Well, my other face, my other photo. Yeah, I need to, I know, I need to organize this hellish folder. Maybe put me in the thumbnail like this and also make the text even bigger. Thank you. How do I like insurance save on me? Hacker, I know the IP is the least thing you're gonna worry about. People are not gonna find out your IP via your website. That's like the least, that's... Looks for me in Discord. Yeah, he can also explain it Linux, but not, don't... IP is the... Security is your least concern. Like, even Replit, like... I will tell you something. Even $1 million companies get hacked. Vercel, Claude, Codex. It doesn't matter. People just get money first. Get money in the pocket, figure it all out. Security is your least of your concerns. Like, in most cases, nobody's gonna pull up with a gun to your house if that's like the... Like, nobody is gonna pull up with a Glock to your house, man, if that's like the main concern. Get your app. The security is the least. I'm just saying, I know some people disagree. But you can look at all the $1 million companies. They also have bugs and security, some's broken. First make the app, first do all the stuff, get clients, and security is last. Get money in the pocket and then pay maybe somebody to do a full security rundown, but that's even not needed in most cases. If you can figure it out yourself. Okay. I look so strange, man. I got 6 clicks on Fiverr. Ah, nice, man. But do you have some clients? But nah, the clicks... Oh my... It's true, but, hacker. I see so many AI slop apps. I would argue, don't be lazy and don't be an idiot, and everyone can make money. But like, I see so many AI slop apps. Then it doesn't matter about marketing. Like, but even AI slop apps sell and can make millions of dollars. You just need marketing. That's one of the main things. I look skinny on this, bro. It's just spam bots at the moment. What do you mean spam bots? Or what do you make? Or just people making the AI slop? Look, but we'll keep it. This is me with short, but then I don't look buffed on that photo. But we'll keep it like that. Okay, next gig, go. Also, I know you don't have the analytics tool by your disposal, so we might skip certain things of that. Everything you could see publicly on my profile, just double check it all and see. But you can also like check competitors and so on. But now do the next gig, thank you. Okay. I'll make myself with short hair, then I... So many AI apps. They make loads of money from that. Everyone generates loads of money, but you have a lot of AI slop apps. And the best apps are the ones you don't even notice are AI. The best apps you don't notice that are AI. But everyone can make money. It doesn't matter if you have an AI slop app. Marketing is important. Everything is important. Might get my hair short again, we'll see. But you don't see it with the headset on anyway. But the mustache or the mustache I'll not have anymore. I'll keep myself shaven. Or else it's growing again, like... My beard goes fast, I think. Like, if I don't shave it for like a week, then I have like... a bit of a mustache or like a beard. Oh, come on, AI. I see the image, like, what are you doing, man? Hacker. I will tell you something, and you believe me or you don't believe me. People are lazy. Like, for example, the invention of the chainsaw for like lumberjacks and or like people doing that stuff. Did it make the work easier? Yes. Did everyone become a millionaire that was doing it? No. It's entrepreneurialism, it's ideas, it's the ability to not give up and not be just be lazy. That's just it. Most people are lazy and are not gonna make money from it. People like to doom scroll or not. It's the same. Everyone can get jacked and go to the gym. Loads of people don't. And yes, it will get easier and more tools will be there. It has never been this easy to like get generational wealth or make as much as a doctor as an 18-year-old. I make as much as a doctor, pretty much. Or well, I make more than a doctor in most countries. Maybe not Americans. I think the American doctors are on the same level because they're kinda corrupt and expensive. Or well, not corrupt, but it's more expensive than here. But yeah, you can literally get generational wealth as an 18-year-old with no diploma. Or well, in my opinion, you don't need a diploma. I'm 18. I don't have a college degree or anything. Well, high school, but I'm saying like this. Yeah, but it has always been insane. Like, it's the same. And AI teach you... Yeah, you can use AI to teach you a lot of stuff. Like, use AI to teach you languages, like how this all works. Like, you can use AI as your own teacher. For example, you don't need, like, a full teacher or, like, watch a blogging video. You can use AI to help you. Okay, looking nice. And like even like I just started like 6-7 months ago, and this might not look like a lot of clicks, but I get. You can also wait. Where's my revenue? Because I never sell below this, or I always like upscale to 2,000, or well 3,000, 7K sometimes. Whoa, this I don't like. This I don't like. Gig summary. Interesting. So I'll need to double check and I'll trust it. You think what I should do to me? Okay, hacker. I'm seeing loads of questions, but not a lot of work. What I would do, personally, get Fiverr, get money in. Every idiot can do this. Every idiot can get local sales. Everyone can get money this way. Get some money in the pocket. Get at least $1,000 from a client. One client is like 1K. If you're very bad at negotiating, I would argue everyone is a master negotiator with Cloud Code. Get money first. Get like 1,000 or 2,000 and then pay for 20x. Pay for 20x on both Claude, or well, maybe just get 20x on Codex on like ChatGPT. That's the maximum subscription you can get. And then 5x, the $100 plan on Claude. And then you start making apps and websites or whatever you want to do. But get client work as like your foundation, or get employed via LinkedIn or like a company. Work with companies, work with people you know. Like, for example, if you know a guy that has a company and he needs like some technical guy, you can be the technical guy. Or if you have friends in high places, try and get a job via them, try and work with them, and so on. But definitely, with Fiverr, you can have enough to sustain yourself and have a doctor's income. Or well, yeah, 10K a month and then... Yeah, 10K a month and then tax a bit. And then it's the same as a doctor. Come on, AI. If I see AI slop here, then we'll have problem. The thumbnail's not AI slop, but I don't know. Like, maybe I need to do like the Mr. Beast pose on it. But well, thumbnails on Fiverr and thumbnails on what's it called on YouTube are different. This was my first client 5 months ago. Time goes fast, man. Time goes fast. Yeah, what? You choose, man, but like, you need to be variable, like, do multiple things. Do multiple things. With Fiverr, you can make above 10K. With YouTube and TikTok, you can also make that, but you need to go viral, and that's harder to do. And do you currently make 500 bucks a month via TikTok? If you do, I would argue immediately get the 5x, or did you have that? I remember someone saying they have like 5x on if you're getting 500 a month via TikTok right now, I would just reinvest in TikTok ads and reinvest in Codex or ChatGPT or whatever it's called now. Just go to chatgpt.com, download the desktop app, and then you'll have this, what I have. And with Fiverr, you're saying, like, yeah, you're saying you don't want to pay for anything. You need zero to start vibe coding. And for example, how much you paid with Cursor currently, because I know Cursor is expensive. With literally the $20 Claude subscription, you can make 3K. And just get local clients, just walk around, pick up the phone, call a bit, and you'll get a few. Like, 1 in 20 will say yes to your $1,000 website. Like, or well, 1 in 10, in my case at least. Yeah, then do it, man. If you're making that much, then do it. But I would recommend do vibe coding. It makes much more, and you don't need to pay for anything. In my opinion, if you're scared to invest, like, let your money make money for you. That's what rich people say, and that's also how it works. Don't be greedy. Don't be like, $500 a month, spend $20. Free buff terminal. What do you mean free buff terminal? Well, personally, I'd never used it. Or don't use it a lot. But nah, like, reinvest your money. Don't be scared. Like, especially if you're living with your parents, you don't need to worry about rent, I assume. And maybe even, like, if you're... No hate, but if you're in that mindset of not wanting to spend a lot of money, get like a student job. I wouldn't do that personally, but get a student job maybe. Get some money, and then reinvest that into Claude if you're really scared to pay a $20 subscription. But in my opinion, just pay $20 or €100 or dollars and get started. You don't need that much on the... You don't need the $200 subscription that I have to like earn money. I just have it for because then I can like vibe code all day long if I want. Go on. What are you saying to 4K or 7.5K, man? Let me see. Oké, het is geüpdate. Je kan het nu checken. Wait. Als er nog dingen zijn, laat mij maar weten. I need to speed that. Have you got like... Yeah, I have a few client apps. But what do you mean app? Web app? Mobile app? But nah, I don't have an app that makes me 100,000 USD yet, if that's what you mean. But it's doable. I know people that have it. I'm gonna get my app, mark my words, I'll get my app to 1 million a year on the App Store. But an app is harder to do. I would say do client work. Client work is guaranteed money, guaranteed easy cash. And you get paid because you're employed with some, or like a freelancer. With your app, it's like you're throwing in the blind because you have never made an app and you don't know a lot of the stuff. I would recommend get client work, get money in, and like make your app on the side. Allee, come on. Yeah, that I have done. That I have done. For example, $5 and I have loads of client work too. App Store app. App Store app I don't have a lot of money on. If you mean App Store apps, I don't have apps that generate 10k. But I'll get one to 10k soon, mark my words. So it's just 500 people need to pay you $20. I know on the App Store it's a bit different. And it's, yeah, or well, it's way different, but... You can let people impulse buy. It will be around the same thing as standard promotion with impulse buy. And you just need to like get attention. And it's from Insta. Like on YouTube, you can't get people to buy your app. It's harder. And you just need to do Insta. That's the best way. Insta, TikTok. But, Axer, do note. Are you prepared? Because I know you said that you don't want to spend money without making money. That's also kind of a bad mindset in my opinion. It's like the frugal mindset, but you need to pay $100 to even get on the App Store. I don't know if you have the Apple developer yet, but in my opinion, do client work or get employed somewhere for like long-term tech work and like get money from there. Because I do vibe code, I do like Fiverr on the side. Fiverr is just a place where people send me a message, I vibe code their website in a few hours and I get money. Or like I get then 4.5k. Oh well, not in 3 hours, but like you do really need to put effort, you need to work, you need to lock in. And a lot of lazy people cannot do that, and that's why some people don't make as much on Fiverr as most. Or it's me and Tommy, and so on. And no, I don't mind spending money, I don't pay for it. Just want it to make sense, I'm ready. Yeah, then just get the Codex subscription and get Apple developer. Oh, come on. Fix my image gen, please. How does Tommy even have it? Well, he smiles. Also, my mouth doesn't need to be closed, but like, don't make me just have my mouth open dumb. I can like smile or like have a smirk smile. You figure out what works best for thumbnails. It's normally in the image gen skill. But this was my first review. Long time ago, 6 months. If that's what you believe, then believe it, but tell me, did Claude do a full research? Tell me, what did you type into Claude? Did you do research? Did you click this button? Because I know a lot of people don't do that. Click this button. Do research. Let Claude do research. Because what kind of web app will you make? How will you promote it? And so on. What will you do? Like, how will you promote it? What will you make? Did Claude tell you any of that? But Claude likes, if you have your AI badly set up, it likes to tell you random stuff and like schizos out. Like, AI is good, but it will be like schizo and tell you random stuff. Mohammed, I always use Replit. That's easy and like it's easy to explain to the old people, to old school people. It's just, I upload it here, and I transfer the project. Like, I invite them, transfer them, and then they have the project. Use Replit. If you want, I can go more in detail in it, but, like, the PDF explains it. Just seems like it copy-pastes me in it. Cool. Why does it take so long? Like... Get up Replit zip email. Yeah, he understands. Or, well... Get up... load it into Replit and then, yeah, just send the client an email to the project. But yeah, truly use Replit. Don't be No. You make the website with Claude and Codex. For example, I make the full demo and wireframe. So I first send the client the demo. The client says, yes, it's amazing. He pays you the 8K. Then you make the full wireframe for milestone 01. You make it fully and show it like on Vercel or something. He approves it. Then you put the GitHub on Replit and then you make the full backend. I know I'm like explaining it badly, but I'm just like explaining it fast and I just haven't even... No, I just started. Yeah, then make the web app. Make the web app. If you think it can make you money, in my opinion, everyone can make money. It doesn't... If you really want to go for it and you think, I don't know you, hacker, like on that level, but if you are like him, a legend, and you know you can pull it off, do it. Then do it. But do not try client work. Try to at least get 5K a month, because then your parents cannot say at the end of the year, you've not made any money, where is it? The web app is a good long-term investment, but get money in the pocket. If you're making more than your parents, then you can already see here, look. Just make 5K a month after tax and so on, and then you're good. And then that's more than most people make. And then just say, yeah, see, here I can provide for myself, I can live. And then your parents have like a good heart and like rest. Then they know, okay, my child is okay, he can live for himself and so on. That you also need to think about. Don't think about long term, think about short term, about your parents and how you will convince them that you can make it without going to like college or like doing some blue collar job. I no hate to the blue collar jobs, by the way, but I'm just saying, like, it's just like, don't let your parents say, ha, I got you, see, you couldn't make money online, get money. How do you get? No. Hacker, first off, did you send demos? Or did you just call them and say, hey, wanna buy your website? Did you send them a demo, first off, in like an email? And cold calling isn't for everyone. You need to be very social. You need to like, then you need to study a whole thing. Then you need to like really study sociality and all that. You need to like then speak like the Wolf of Wall Street. And that's not for everyone. Like cold emailing is better. Cold calls, you then really need to know what you're doing. But I would even argue, did you send them a demo? That's the first thing I need to know. Did you send them a demo in an email when you call them? Where you're like, hey, I can make you a website. Hey, the demo is completely free. Check your email or something along those lines. Yeah. 100%, it's the same. Replit has a full built-in hosting, database, everything. Security, use Replit, the best one out there. Like, don't use Cursor, don't use Base 44, and just use Replit, best one out there, in my opinion. Okay, okay, I have that smoke smile, I like that. It also looks like my setup, kinda. It's nice. But did you make them a demo? Hacker, that's the question. Did they see the demo? Or did you first say, hey, or did you say on the phone call, hey, I can make you a free demo? Or did you have the demo ready? In an email. But it depends on your region, like, you're in England, I think. Yeah, England. But it depends. With cold calling, you need to be social. Cold emailing is better. And also, how many cold calls did you did? Did you, like, do 20 of them, at least? I said I can make you one. Send them always a demo. If you say I can make you one, they're not interested. Make the demo fully ready. You can vibe code with AI. Let me see what kind of websites I have. Just because it's you, Mohammed, and because you've been in the stream for a bit, I'll show you one. A good one, let me see. I'll just open my Vercel, bro. Let me see. This one was one of it. This one is nice. I have no clue what this is. How much did you sell them? If you got clients, how much did they pay? Oh well, this was for a demo. Here is one of them. I forgot my password, so I'm not gonna search it. Let me see. Well, what do I even use for websites? Well, I'm just gonna go to my Fiverr. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, go with this. Alright, where's my own website even? Here. This one isn't done. I made this on stream because I was bored. Yip Labs. Well, I'll get my full portfolio in one place. Otherwise, I need to, like, get it all. Just go to Yip Labs somewhere on the internet. What kind of prices are you doing in England for 100 you? Bro, you're selling wrong. Like, no hate, but then you're literally... You make... It's very... Bro, no hate, but you're getting scammed by those people. They are straight up laughing in your face. If you're selling for 100 in England, even in India, people go above 500 for a website. No, but then you're getting scammed. You can in England Belgium, so on. It's always above 1,000 for a website. And then I would personally say do cold emailing. And no hate, if you I don't know if you're capping, but if you did 700 phone calls, you need to improve on the cold calling. But that's a skill not everyone has. Yeah. Nah, yeah, you're getting scammed, for sure. That's, I don't even wake up for that money. Like, if people say, can you make a website for 100? I ain't even waking up. I ain't even reading your message. Or well, reading I do, but... Nah, but operator, I don't use any skills from GitHub. I just let it make skills here. Like, it just makes skills for me. But I should, like, get a better portfolio with, like, everything in place. Just simple web. How much hours you spend on it? Hacker. 1 hour, 2 hours? For example, I get paid around 100 an hour. Or what? Nah, we can get this fixed. I'll update it now. If there's anything else, do let me know. Yeah, we can change that. If there's anything else, do let me know. Like 1 hour. Yeah, no, you're still getting scammed. Still let me know. LinkedIn might pop off. The LinkedIn clients might be coming in. Nice. Nah, thank you, Alden, for getting me on that LinkedIn guidelines, bro. Let me see. Yeah, like you learn like 100 in England is crazy. Like no hate, but you get that. I get that for training calls. I get like 125 for 1 hour training call. I already told you. Okay, hacker. I'm not hating on you, but what I'm sensing is a lot of questions and no money, or like not being locked in. I use full AI, and yes, I learn things. I learn UI, I learn design, I learn how AI works. But you don't need all of that. 6 months ago, when I didn't know anything about AI, I could still sell websites for 1,500, and I could make those in 1 hour, and that was off Fiverr. But I recommend everyone to go to Fiverr and make an account and get clients there, because they will literally send you on the phone. Like, do I have a DM? Nah, currently not. Yes, as soon as I saw it. I knew who. Yes, as soon as I saw it. Yeah, as soon as I saw it, I know he's dropping the convo, yeah. I don't know. It's just then you were getting scammed, hacker, like. Or I don't know, but if that's real or legit, but then you were getting scammed. Or they were literally. Like, 100 for a website is insane. Like, I don't wake up for that stuff. Yeah, it's always better to use or like make a tool and like update it as you go. And we can literally change anything that's needed. So let me know if there's then changes or you like want the process fine-tuned in any sort of way. Nah, I do believe it's real. I'm just saying you're getting scammed. It's like surreal that you think $100 is fair for your life, for your experience, that you put yourself so low that you accept 100 as a payment. It's crazy to me. Like, no hate, but like when I was a high schooler, I was getting paid 100,000 bucks for like WordPress websites. Not a lot, like I didn't do them a lot, or like those 800 sometimes, but it's crazy. No one in England, it's crazy to me. We can later. So let me know if there's any. Nah, the LinkedIn clients are nice, bro. The LinkedIn clients might be the new strat. Well, to just get extra people. Off. Got a jump scare. Let me see. Cool. Nah, definitely LinkedIn is on top. Also, I might get premium because Jacob, like, I'm not gonna lie, if Jacob is here, Alden, you need to see his analytics. He is like LinkedIn premium and he has like 80 likes and everything. Or like, it's crazy. Bro, the LinkedIn premium is pay to win though, but he hasn't gotten any clients, it's just like bots, I think. Let me see. But nah, W Jacob for the stuff. Ah, does it? Okay. Nah, I do care. Join the Discord, Hacker Gamer. But I'm just saying, if your goal is to make money, sell to clients. Like, especially because you said to your parents, I might sound mean and rough, but it's to help you. And that's also, I just talk like that. And it's a good way to talk. I'm excited. I like to help people. But truly, if your parents are saying you have 1 year to lock in, try and do client work. Get 10k a month and you make as much as a doctor. And then your parents cannot bullshit you and like say, you're not making money. Like, make money. Like, I know a lot of people in general that are like students and they don't really have anything going for their life. No money, no nothing. Get money so your parents cannot say anything. That you can show, here, I'm safe. Let them be arrested. Yeah, just let your parents like make money and then show them, here, I'm safe, here, I can supply and like sustain myself. That they know their boy or girl is safe. That they know, okay. Because it's strange to them, like, my parents also find it insane that I'm working online. Like, they're like, how, like, my parents do think I was doing something illegal, or like, not illegal, like, I fully showed them it, and they're like, always confused, like, how does this work, like, how, and you're streaming, like, or well, not streaming, they don't really check, I just showed them my Fiverr when I was like, 8, or well, 17, they already knew I was like, online, working, and like, they knew I didn't like school. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do this way. Yeah, get Fiverr, you're above 18, so it's easy to set up, then you don't need to talk with Fiverr support. Do Fiverr. Upwork is really good, but I would start with Fiverr. Fiverr is fully free to start. I would just say, get your Fiverr set up, you have the free PDFs, dollarviper.com, classrooms, and here. Download this, read it, and you have the full info. It explains A to Z. And if you don't believe me, because I only have 30 orders in the book, you can go to Tommy Yip. He's been doing this for years. Tommy Yip, it's also in the PDF, his name. He has 450 on Fiverr. And count that up. If I make 7.5k per client, count up what he makes. But Tommy is older than me though, and so on, but yeah. I have one setup, but I don't get messages. What do you mean you don't get messages? Everything is in the Dollar Vibe Club here. The link is, well, in the description, but I'll send it again here. It's fully free, we don't sell a course. You just need to be approved, but I approve people like once in the 30 minutes. If I feel like it. Let me see what I want to do. Jacob! Wait, Jacob, now you're here in the chat. I don't remember what I said before. Can you explain that Fiverr isn't set up in one day? But no hate, hacker, but check that full PDF. Check that full PDF and compare your profile. Compare your full profile with the PDF, or even download the PDF, give it to Claude, and tell him to look at your profile and double check. What do you mean I look the same every day, man? Yeah. Or well, I have like the same look, I have like 2 stream t-shirts. I have like multiple white t-shirts and like black t-shirts I use for the stream. Just for the color thing. It's like something psychological or something. What did I want to do? I hear. do look funny, man. I'll probably get that haircut again. It's just me with short. I had this haircut like months ago. Well, at the start of when I start streaming, like at the beginning. Where's my PDF? He's not getting older. I don't know what. Yeah, who knows? Wait, let me see. Can I open it, please? Okay, the struggle is real, man. Oh. Nah, we will do that. I'll buy some branded t-shirts soon and just whack a logo on there. They're not expensive, they're like 10 bucks or so. So I'll probably do that soon. Look, hacker, no hate, but I think you watch too much Insta Reels. There is no niches. Do every niche. You can do every single niche, in my opinion. Get money where you can get money. You can vibe code anything. I do real estate. I do pretty much everything except porn, gambling, and drugs and weapons. Or well, depends. If it's American contractor, then I do make it. Nah, but don't use the Replit connection, bro. Just use codecs and everything. But nah, hacker, just you can make money with everything, but don't like I see at the way you talk. You listen too much to what the Insta Reels and TikTok and the gurus tell you. Nobody can teach you vibe coding, not even me. I'm just some random kid on the internet saying some random stuff that makes money. You learn it by doing. You learn it by doing. Do vibe coding, do whatever. But in your case, I would get money. Do client work just so you can prove to your parents, see, I can make money. And then you can vibe code your app for like $1 million. That's what I do for Dollar Vibe Club. That's what I do for Yip Labs and Baked. Later on, for example, I want to make my own OS system and sell it, or I'll sell it. It will not be expensive. Like I will not make it 80 bucks like the Windows key. I want it to mainly be open source and like have a better, like for example, no hate to Windows, but for example, Mac is very good, never any problems. It works when you update it. Windows depends. Linux, it's very strange, I would say. You need to like be a rocket engineer to start up and make Linux fully your thing. I didn't. But how did it then make money? Yeah, Temple OS 2.0, but I'm not Christian though. I'm atheist, or well, I do believe in like the universe. I just believe in like do good, be kind, don't be an asshole. Yeah, the Temple OS, like we'll make our own OS system soon. I don't even check that, man. I don't even check how many tokens are being burned. I just know I'm in the tens of billions. I think even a trillion. Just burn tokens. Keep burning tokens. Don't even look at the usage. Oh well, do look at the usage, but don't look at the... Just make sure the work is done. But don't be micro-tracking your tokens. Just vibe code, man. Just vibe and code, get it done. No, but I think if you watch the streams, you will understand how to do it. I'm now making like my new Fiverr gig, but hold on. The PDF pretty much explains the basic setup. Here, how to get your first sales. It includes simply how to get the client in the door and how to get it set up. But making the project is not that hard. Stuff Roskar. Let me see. I've gonna. A bit more to the right, like a bit more. There's like it's a bit cut off, and the PDF is fully free. Just download it. Ah, did he ask that? Ah, then I misunderstood the question. Yeah, no. There's no PDF that you give into AI and that will make you $1,000. You just need to learn and walk in. Like, this is something a lot of people don't understand. Like, AI is not gonna do the work for you. AI, it's not like make me $10 million and the AI will give you a paycheck to $1 million. You need to work. You need to work. But I would argue this is greater than the Californian gold rush and anything that has ever happened. For poor people, I'll consider myself broke, even though I make above 10K. I it's every idiot can make so much money. You don't even need money to start. Like you used to like need to have like millions of dollars to like get financial freedom, but now you just need a computer. You just need a computer, a Wi-Fi connection, power, and a cloud subscription or like an AI subscription, and you can make money. You can print it and tell him to go, and he comes back with 2 mil. Yeah, it's cool. AI make me money. Okay. Yeah, like you still need to do work, but now you can make so. It's for example, I will simply explain. For example, let me think. It's just the same with like everything. Like technology evolves, but some people will still be like lazy, don't put in the work, don't learn, and they just think, we can make money by typing into the AI. It doesn't work like that. You need to put the work, and you need to put effort into everything you do in life. It's not an easy gateway to millions and millions of dollars. Oh well, it's easy. If you just log in, put in the work, you just need to work and like work really hard, figure it all out, and you can make so much money. It doesn't matter if you have a degree. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can make money of it, loads of it. Yeah, see. No, everyone can do that. In my opinion, you can make full web apps in a day, even in a day, 2 days instead of 4 months. No, I was asking about the tokens in cloud because it's all in the video that the more tokens you use. Nah, like in my opinion, it's just because there's too much context in it. I would say don't worry about it. Just once a while if the AI is glitching too much, just restart and open a new chat. But what I do, I will explain. Tell your AI to make an MD file in like the repo, like here, Yip Labs MD. So he constantly updates the info from former chats. So he doesn't keep working in like the same chat and so on. What is this? Overview. I hate Lovable. Or well, not love. It's just a shit platform. Raplets. Let me see what this. What do you mean? No, I'm not. Wait, I don't. Wait, no, I'm not talking about 1 million tasks. What for pricing? Yes. It fully explains that. Yeah, just. Yeah, it's true. But that's why I always make an MD file. Let the AI make an MD file with some info. 7 months. 7 months since I like really locked in. Since I turned 18. Let me see what Tommy. You don't. But I would say it takes like 3 months if you're lazy and like figuring it out. 3 months. But if you're really locked in, you can get it going in 2-3 months. You just need to have clients. You need to like push a few local clients. You need to send cold emails. You need to pick up the phone and all that. Or I'll not pick up the phone. You don't need to be like Wolf of Wall Street. Like, just send cold emails. People will respond. No need to be the Wolf of Wall Street and be on the phone. Yeah, I'm checking Tommy what he had. What the fuck did I put there? I'm just taking it slow, chilling, updating my Fiverr, so. Yeah, we'll say it sometimes. Yeah, everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe to the stream. But I'll make more shorts and so on later on. But I'll say that. I'll say like and subscribe more from now on. But thank you for like letting me know. We'll launch for it. Ah, is it? But nah, all good. Nah, but we have new viewers. We have Mohammed, we have staff of staff Roskar and so on. So all good. And I'm just chilling, updating my Fiverr. You don't need plugins, bro. Mohammed, don't listen to what the gurus tell you, bro. Like, plugins make it easier, but you don't need them. You don't need plugins, just prompts. You don't need some fancy plugins. It helps, yes, but you don't need them. Nah, Fiverr is automatically. It's not like Upwork. They literally just send you DMs and throw money at you. Fiverr, like, I will explain shortly. So, Upwork, you send the people. On Fiverr, the people send you. It's as simple as that. I don't need to do anything. I'm now just updating my Fiverr and that's it. I'm now just doing it because I'm also taking my time because I'm on stream, but just need to update your Fiverr and people will send you DMs. And then you just respond, send them a demo. All the info is in these documents. Like, don't ask unneeded questions. Go to dollarviperclub.com, link is in the pinned description. Sign up, I'll approve you. Go to classrooms, PDFs, read what's in there, and you'll have it. And then you'll have the endless knowledge. Can you improve my description? Thank you. I'll probably end stream in a few, but we'll just get this up and running faster. Like, I'll now log in, just get the gigs done. Yeah, then you need to be online more, Mohammed. Then next day you need to log in. It's just you need to log in 2 days and then you have access. I'm thinking of what I should eat after. Probably I have some fish, some rice, some avocado. Alright, GG. Have a good night or like sleep night. Oh, good night. Oh, my English is so scuffed. Come on, man. Let the AI into. But I'll just like do a full rundown one by one for each. Nah, I cannot eat fast food, or then I don't like it. When I order food, it's always healthy, or well, healthy. When I order something, it's always healthy food or some Italian OG Italian pizza. If I eat pizza, it's from the Italian place, and it's like I would not consider that fast food, but I eat it like once a month. Crikey, mate. Nah, I'm not English. Or well, maybe like 5% or something. Nah, but I never eat fast food. Yeah, but like you just don't need to don't eat candy and junk food for like a few years and your body doesn't even want it anymore. Because once you eat it, then you will then it depends how your body responds, but then there's a chance you will puke. Just don't eat that stuff and then your body will heal, and then once you eat it, then your body will like see. It depends who's asking, but no, Tommy and me made this. Ah, that's Aussie? Ah, crikey, mate. Nah, I'm one of the founders of Dollar Vibe Club together with Tommy. Oh. Or well, we're the two founders of Dollar Vibe Club. Let me see. Ah, nice, nice, man. What kind of sauce do you have? But Dollar Vibe Club is not really a sauce, it's more, oh well. Depends, but we don't charge for it. Oh, can I copy? Okay, nice. Yeah, just update the images you generated and just give me everything that I can easily copy paste the packages and so on. Just go on to the next gig. Thank you. We'll put in the tempo and just get it done in like 40 minutes. Like we already did a few. But we were just taking our time, talking, chilling. Crypto degen or just degen as in vibe coding? If so, I'm the same. I also vibe code all day. I'm a full-time vibe coder even. Okay, come on. Well, we just need to wait. Sats. Ah, nice, man, nice. Nah, but FS driver, let me know what kind of app do you have? Or like FSD driver, what kind of app or what kind of sauce? Okay, it's running, it should be done in a few. Nah, same, I also don't believe that. In my opinion, I already said this before in the stream, but in my opinion, the Nvidia CEO himself said this, English is a new coding language. No one should learn. If you want to learn code and read code in your free time, sure, do that, but it's not gonna make you extra money. I'm EU. It literally doesn't matter. I'm a European citizen. I'm from Belgium, Belgique, or Belgica, or whatever the French say. It doesn't matter. If you're concerned about your region and you're concerned if you're in the EU, it doesn't matter. If you're in the EU, USA, India, it really doesn't matter. It's all just mindsets and people making excuses that they're from Sweden and cannot make money. Or like, for example, if they're from Sweden, like, Everyone can make money. It doesn't matter if you're a girl or like a woman, a guy. Doesn't matter. Your age depends. Like if you're 16, 14, 16 you can make money. If you just lock in, you can make money. I did it. So, and once you're 18, above 18, you have the entire world and can just make as much as you want. You just need to lock in. But I'll go into that later. Like I'm a bit tired. I just want to get this up and running. What is this? What kind of shady tools is the AI giving us? Crazy. Yeah, nice. See, that's an example. You can make as much money as you want. It doesn't matter where you're from. But nah, congrats FSD driver. But see, everyone can make money. It doesn't matter where you're from. But Turkey has PayPal, bro. I checked in like one Google search. The Fiverr forum even says Turkey has PayPal. Or well, not PayPal, but Pioneer. And like banking apps and so on. Oh, come on. Bro, it takes so long, man. For some reason, when I'm not streaming, the work does go faster, but that's just then because I'm doing other stuff. Well, more laid back. And mostly I eat when I work. Yeah, indeed, that guy was funny. But nah, it's just so sad to see, like, just lock in. Just lock in. Like, it's just lock in, like, but it's fine. It's just that the streaming does let me also see that some people are just in a bad mindset, and if they would change that, they can just make money. And like, some people have excuses ready before they even start. And it's just so insane to me, like, before they even make the Fiverr, before they even open Claude or Codex, they already have like 50 problems inside their head why they can't do it. But they should think, what can they do? Like, so you know, Poppy. 3 sub-tiers and the third one is used. What? So I know you. So you know how people usually have 3 sub-tiers and the third one is usually elite. What do you mean sub-tiers? Well, the cloud subscriptions. If you mean like the basic, the 5x and 20x, I'm on the 20x or... Okay, nice. I don't know what you mean with sub-tiers. Or like for your I don't know what you're selling, so it might be that. Clickbait thumbnails, bro. Also, for all the ones in the stream, do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps a lot on YouTube. Ah, okay. Ah, yeah, that I do know. But nah, W, but tell me what your sauce is, because I know you're talking a lot about sauce, but send me the link, I'm curious, or let me know what it's called and so on. Also, let me change this, like, it has... This is like... I'll keep this as my business photo, man. But the headset, my hair doesn't look good, so... This is like a pic I made randomly, I don't remember when. Let me see. Okay, nice. Nah, Fiverr is insane. I think we might reach 20k month again on Fiverr, who knows. I have a good feeling. Nah, I changed the... What, do you mean me change it or him change it? Nah, FS3 driver, built in public. Just tell me. Like, don't be scared. I'm a full-time programmer, come early. Yeah, but it's life ain't fair, man. Life ain't fair. But I would say get multiple jobs. I would personally get multiple coding jobs as a vibe coder. That I'm also contracted with like 3 companies. Try and get multiple companies stuff, or like become like what's it called? But it depends if you're like, it depends if you have like friends that are in those companies and so on. But get multiple jobs, don't get one, or do freelance on the side and so on. What did I want? When I talk, I forget what I want to like do sometimes. Let me see. Data entry. Nah, I'm gonna use my old photos here. I'm gonna use those. Because those are not my old this is like 6 months or so ago. But I'm gonna update them, but with a new photo. But I'm not gonna use the old one, if you get what I mean. Change it, man. What? Now you wait. Like, the AI is slow today. Normally codecs, like, or well, when I did this in ChatGPT before, he is always like much faster. Whoa, what the no clue what this. But seriously? Yeah, that's me. That's me like 6 months ago, but with a different haircut and a mustache. It's a bit AI enhanced, but that's me still. Wait, I have photos in my phone that I look exactly like that. But then normally my hair is like back. But alright, let me go back to the Thailand arc. I think I've liked the Thailand journey. Yeah, here. But my hair is like reversed for some reason. Like, normally the... I forgot what it's called, like on the sides. It's like reversed. It looks way better clean. Maybe. But for now I'll keep this one. This one looks... This is like the Mr. Beast thumbnails otherwise. It's funny for the stream though. On YouTube it's funny to have the Mr. Beast thumbnails, but not on Fiverr. For all the ones new in the stream, do not forget to like and subscribe, it helps a lot. Now on the stream we just chill a bit. Nice, man, nice. I don't like Bangkok personally, there's too much smoke in the air. I do like Phuket. Phuket I like the most. It's nice, it's clean. Phuket is just a nice place. But now, for FSD driver, let me know, what do you do? What work do you do? I'm curious, like, what kind of sauce do you have? Because now I'm just curious, like, I just want to know, I'm just curious, send me the link of or send it in the Discord. Okay. I went to PP Island. I went to James Bond Island. Yeah, I saw it, nice, sorry, that's you and W. But why do people buy that for 18k? Fifi Island or PP Island. Nah, I don't do monthly retainers. I should start doing that, but on freelance clients, on Fiverr and so on, I don't do retainers. If they want the text updated, they have a CMS, but if they want changes, they send me, and I just do it for free. If it's like very complex, I let them pay. But in my case, if you do those things and you give support over the years, they keep just giving you money. They just throw, if they're so happy with your work, they just give you more work. You convince me, Yuri? Yeah, I have other projects and revenues. Yeah, I have a few companies of my own. Dollar Vibe Club, well, is like free. Dollar Vibe Club we do for free. But yeah, I do have a few other projects and I'm contracted with a few companies. But the 31 or the 38k, I think it's now, should update, it's like around 41 now. The 41k or 35k or whatever is on the stream, is all from Fiverr. And that's from the last couple of months. And that's enough to sustain yourself, and then you just don't only focus on Fiverr. I'll tell everyone this, don't only use Fiverr. Use Upwork, Dribble, make your own personal projects. Don't stick at this. Don't stick at just one source of income. And enhance, like do multiple stuff. I don't know, I think the guy is interesting. Nah, I get you, man. I get it. Like the moment you like get 12k clients and so on, it feels amazing. I get you, man. I get that feeling, and I do get some people IRL don't get it. They don't understand the online money feel. The moment you like see 12.5k in the pocket, like in one order, it's insane. Or like get a 12 or 5k deposit even. I think 5k, or well 5k, like I need to calculate. It's like then 4,500, like compared to Euro. Because I always charge in USD and then I get it in Euro. Just because like USD is a global currency. Come on, give me my images, man. Yeah, I know I can like download the images, but I'm doing it like this. Like we chilling, so. Should probably make a video. Next time I do this, I'll do it faster with like less talking, just here, and I'll make a video out of this stuff. But now we have like the stream up and going, so then we just always like try and start small with everything you do and then like go upon building it. For example, for example, if you're new to the gym, go at least once a week, then twice, then 3, 4, 5 until like just always try and do more as you go, but start small if you like do new stuff. What did I want to do? But no clue. We'll just need to wait for a bit today. I like to finish. I don't know. It just takes so long to like update this all. But I think Tommy only updated like 1 or 2, and the pricing. Now we wait. Let me see. Where's my cloth code even? Like I need to summon cloth code to check something. Because I use both Claude and Codex. I just prefer Claude on or Codex on stream. Or I'll just prefer Codex in general since recently. Alright, it's nice. Let me see, I think it was this one. I'll close a few tabs. I feel the AI, or well, the PC is lagging a bit. But it's like, if you would see all my other screens, the amount of things I have open is insane. And normally I also have YouTube open to like just watch some random videos. But mostly I like watch educational videos or sometimes history, sometimes hype coding, it depends. Or just mindset. Oh, the camera is glitching. Okay, the AI is not happy. But the PC has been on for like over 24 hours because he was vibe coding through the night. So I think I'll need to give the machine a rest. But tonight the PC will be able to rest. Like, I'm gonna take a good night. Oh well, good night. I always sleep above 8 hours. Like, in my opinion, always also focus on your health. Exercise, don't stay inside like all day long. Exercise and go sit in the morning sun. Eat well. And so on. Nah. Rest is important, or like sleep at least 8 hours. Nah. For cloth, no. The Mac Mini gets too warm. I don't want the Mac Mini to die on me in like the second month. The Mac Mini needs to survive to, like, it's still like for a bit. Nah, it doesn't that we're in Belgium. We don't have ACs here. We don't believe in that, sadly. Like, in Thailand, I had AC in every room. Here, zero. Belgium doesn't believe in ACs and they just never install them. I might, and I'm not gonna buy one because I rent this place, so, and I might get a mobile AC that I can just plug in the wall. But then I would still need a cable and everything, or like the aluminum tube and like throw it out my window. Or just bring the cable like outside the garden. In Belgium it's now around 30 each day. Or well, now it's 25. Monday it's 35 again. 35 degrees in the sun. Normally it's colder here, like normally it's way colder, but it's like I even had like a notification on my phone. It's like orange alerts that the like temperature is too high in Belgium, and then people like get an alert on the phone to like drink water, be careful for fires. Yeah, above 30 degrees outside, or Celsius. Nah, tomorrow it's 35. Tomorrow it's 35 C or a Celsius. But that's why I go to the gym in the morning and then just stay inside the rest of the day. Or well, mostly. Or just then close the windows and everything. Or well, not the windows, but like the front window where the sun comes into. Can you give me my thumbnails? Come on. Okay, after, just give me the updated thumbnail for each, please. Thank you. After you gave me these three, then just generate it for each single gig. Thank you. Well, I'll probably end stream in in like 30 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna cook food while the AI does its thing. Yeah, because I have all the windows always open. Because otherwise I die. Like, I have like a garden outside and I just open the windows and then they fly in sometimes. Sometimes also, or well, it's like when I don't like close the windows properly with the fly net. Then you have like, what are they called? Grasshoppers. because they just jump through my window sometimes. Yeah, I need to like buy a new bug net. The old one got destroyed by something. But that was before I was in this house. But like one of the bug nets is broken. The other one is like okay, but so there's like now I always close the one that's broken, but I'll get a new one for the thing soon. Okay, but I'll end stream in a few though. Like I wanna cook some food. Okay. Well, and I didn't finish all the gigs, but it's just thumbnails and everything. So I'll let the AI go on autopilot. It takes like 30 minutes to generate them all. But I'll end the stream here. But I hope you all enjoyed. And I will tell it again to every single one of you. Everyone can make money. You just need to log in and do it. And that's it. I'm too tired for a full speech today. But I had a lot of good moments in the stream. Giving mindset. It's mainly mindset. Like, for example, all the people that think they can get rich quick with AI are just not idiots, but like your delusion. It's hard work. It's hard work. You just need a mindset. It's not gonna be like, I can vibe code $1 million with AI. Yes, you can do that, but you need to put in the work. It's not gonna be like lazy. I recently had a friend of mine. He called me. He called me and he was like, because he knows from my parents and so on. He calls me and he says, hey, can you teach me, man? And like, I said, yeah, okay. I talked with him a bit. And then he was like, yeah, but I don't want to put in the work. And then he was like, being lazy. And I was like, yeah, what, too much effort. Like, sometimes some people are not in the right mindset to make money. The moment they're like complaining and saying, I need to work, then they don't want it. Then they don't want the 10k a month that bad. Then they don't want that 5k a month even. Like, I've heard so many dumb excuses over the years of people my age, people older than me. Like, they expect, like, yeah, no, Johnny, I'll explain it. Like, they expect that they can make money from like 1 hour a day, 10k. That's what they expect because they watch too much Insta or TikTok. Like, people are lazy. Like, you can outwork 99% of people in this world. People are just lazy, not hungry. And if you really, really want it, it doesn't matter if you're very smart. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to be anything. You can, if you're just hungry, like, I'm not gonna, well, I'll not say slur, but it's just like something a millionaire said. He said like, just like every like every idiot can make money, bro. Every like, there's so many idiots. They even say it themselves, like millionaires say, yeah, I'm a fucking idiot, but I make much more money than you all just because I'm not lazy. Like, everyone can make money. Like, people are lazy. Like, the moment you talk to them, like, speak about work, then they're like, but I don't want to work for the 10k. Like, just lazy. And I'm not gonna hate on 9 to 5 jobs, but some people, literally, like, it's people my age. Like, and when they're trying to debate with me, like, I don't even debate with those people anymore, but, like, before, when they try and debate with me, and, like, try and act smart, and they say, yeah, but I'd rather work 12 bucks, 12 bucks for 12 hours straight, than work 4 hours for 500, or, like, for, like, a 7.5k client, because it's more work. So, it's dumb. It's like dumb excuses, like them saying, yeah, but I'd rather work 12 hours for 12 bucks than work 2 hours very, very hard for 7k. It's like so dumb excuse. Like, I cannot even I cannot replicate what they say, but it's just insane and stupid in my, it's like them trying to explain to me how 12 hours or 14 hours straight for 12 bucks is better than like 5k for a website that you can make at home. You can choose when you eat, you can choose when you drink. But I do get it's not for everyone. Like, vibe coding, working online, it's like entrepreneurialism and like putting in work, putting in effort, and it's not for everyone. I'm gonna straight up say it. Like, it's mindset. Like, I'm thinking people can't count and can't do the math. Don't even. Yeah, like I'm just saying it for y'all. I'm thinking that people can't count and can't do that. Maybe. Yeah, that's something like it's just mindset. Everyone can do it. It's just mindset and wanting to do it. And like, in my opinion, some people just their mindset is fucked. It's just they need to fix that first. Fix your mindset, get your money up, and then so on. Just improve like on your life. It's just everything you do in life. For example, if you are doing a student job, be the best at your student job. But there are people that are like, yeah, no, I'm gonna do the bare minimum. Like, always go the extra mile. It doesn't matter what you do, if it's running, the gym, food. Always go the extra mile in anything you do. It might sound strange to some, but just go the extra mile. Do your best in everything you do. Doesn't matter what you do. Even if it's like a shit job or just go, always give it 110% in every single thing you do, and then you'll see how easy life is, truly. Like, I still need to discover life. Like, in the end of the day, I'm just a random 18-year-old, but I do think I have some knowledge about life, or I'm starting to get it. Like, live life. Live life, learn, like, yeah, that's what I mean, PR. Like, I want to be rich, but it needs work. Yeah, nah, then. Like, and that's sadly some people, their mindset that do the 9 to 5. The 9 to 5 isn't like working a job, it's the mindset of like, but I need to work. Like, some people rather work 14 hours a day in a cafe or in the factory. And like, I know a guy in the bullet factory. He works in the military factory. He gets paid 14 an hour. And he needs to like double check the bullets and the mag. He needs to work that like and checking on the machines and everything, walking around all day. And yes, and then sometimes he says to me, yeah, but I can doom scroll on my phone. And I was like, yeah, what the. But nah, don't. Sometimes it also sounds rough to a lot of people here. I'll say it. Do cut off some of your friends. It might sound rough. Cut off some of your friends that are being purely idiots and lazy. And then check up on them once in a while. Don't fully cut them off. Like, check up once, like, once in the 2 months or on a month. Ask them how they're doing. Like, see, because mindset is truly, it changes. The mindset of becoming rich and successful, it changes in people as they go older. Some people will never get it, but everyone can get it. It depends on the age. It depends if your parents die, for example, or if your like a grandpa dies. It depends, like, in life experience and so on. But that's it for today. I'll but I do think I can yap some good mindset once in a while. But I think everyone can be rich. Everyone can be rich. Everyone can be successful. You can be anything you want in this world. Well, almost anything. If you lock in, if it's like reasonable. But I would say anything is possible, man. If you want a Lambo, it's possible. If you want to have 10k or 100k, it's possible. There are people. Like, I only barely scratched the surface on Fiverr. There's people getting 1 million a year in Fiverr. Think about that, how crazy that is. 1 mil, 100k a month on Fiverr. How crazy that is. And that's from freelance. There's levels to this stuff. I'm not like only on the bottom level. There's truly levels in this online money stuff. And you should always strive for more. Always be hungry. Even if you're good, if you have your own apartment, even if you're like well sustained and like fulfilled, always be hungry. Because always the next goal. Like, if you make 10k a month, nice. Well, get that 100k a month. You have to always stay hungry, but always stay humble. Enjoy life, enjoy the small things, enjoy food, enjoy the view at the mountain on Thailand or something. Enjoy the coral reef when you go snorkeling, or whatever it's called. Enjoy things in life, like enjoy the small things, but don't forget, stay hungry, keep working, and so on. I'll end the stream here. I'm gonna update the Fiverr thumbnails later on today. Like, the AI is just making the thumbnails and I just copy paste it.